You notice a whole lot about yourself when you're editing a video, and my nails were, ugh. So I went on Amazon and I wanted to try something new. We're gonna try out this SXC Glow in the Dark Poly Nail Gel Kit Pro. I did pay for this myself. This video is not sponsored, but let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have anything you want to see or anything you want me to try, leave it in the comment section down below and give us a big thumbs up because it's absolutely free and it will certainly help the channel. So without further ado, let's go try out these nails. Alright, let's unbox this. I'm excited. Oh look, they sent glitter. Okay. Alright, so we do have some dual forms. These are the curved ones. They sent some forms, some nail forms. Okay, we got the instructions on how to use it. Oh, look, it's Scorpio, Aries, Aquarius, Aries, Libra, Virgo, and Taurus. So that's pretty cool. They also sent us these UV gems and some glitters and of course a file. Oh, and their nail brush is so cute. That is so cute. Okay, so we'll be using their nail brush. We are going to be using the Instant Perfection stiletto tips today. As you know, I use forms all the time, but I'm not really a big fan of the poppets. We will be using their file to prep, and let's get their base coat and top coat. They did not send a slip solution, but that's about normal for polygel kits. Now we are currently in Capricorn. Aquarius is next, but I decided I didn't want to just do, you know, one color and that be it. So we are going to use all the colors. And then since I have 5 fingers, we will do an accent nail with an ombre or something. Or we might just use all the colors on the accent nail. So we're not going to use the glitters. We may use a few of the stones. I'll just set them aside. So we got everything we're going to use out of this kit. Now I'm going to go and get everything else that we need to get these nails started, and we will be back. So I just removed my nails, so they're pretty much prepped already, but I'm still going to push back my cuticles. Right, now that we got them pushed back, we're going to go ahead and slightly buff them just to make sure. Now that we got them pushed back and buffed, we're gonna dehydrate. And I have a solution, I have alcohol in there. So now we are going to put on our tips. Okay, so there we have it. Now they're on, so we're going to wait for the glue to completely set, and we'll be back. So now that the glue's set, I'm going to grab a clipper And the reason why I use these is because I want to do a coffin shape today, but I want it to be quite a long coffin. So we're gonna nip off those tips. So now we'll take our file and we will shape them. I want those sidewalls straight. Alright, so we got them filed. Now we're just going to buff over that nail tip. Okay, so we got our nails prepped. So now we are going to go in, that's the top coat, with our base coat. Alright, so we're done curing all those. Now these are sealed. So let's go ahead and open all these. And I'll be back once I'm done opening them. Okay, so we got all the tabs pulled off. They were all sealed. Let's open up the brush. Get all the powder out and clean it off. Seems like to be a nice brush. Real thin, but nice. This is an oval 6. It does have a spatula. We will not be using the spatula today. So I got these in the order that I want. I'm going to do my thumb in yellow, my first pointer finger in green, middle finger in blue, my ring finger in pink and purple, and then my pinky in orange. And so we're going to add just a little bit of this. Let's file and shape them. Now this is a no white top coat, so let's go ahead and top coat all these. And today, to put the gems on, we're going to use this rhinestone nail glue gel kit, and we are going to be using this one on this finger. We are going to assembly there. Or some rhinestone gel. Place these rhinestones on. Okay, I think these stones are only UV. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're only UV. Alright, and there they are. Now, as you can see, they are very cute. So now we are going to go into a dark room and see exactly how good they glow. As you see, they glow really well. They're super cute. I'm absolutely in love with this set. This product was really easy to work with, and I actually really loved it compared to some of the polygels that I've been working with. It did cure all the way. I didn't have any issues with it curing. I didn't have any issues with moving it around. And all in all, it's just a really great product. Now, of course, we have to test the durability and stuff, but this is definitely Stephanie approved. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.